U70 Android Nand programmer.
1. A programmer that supports UFS and eMMC storage read or write, and also supports ISP read or write via wire flying. 2. Compared with the previous generation U15, it adds the eMMC read or write and the LSP read or write via wire flying. 3. Compared to the previous generation U15, the external Pico power cable has been eliminated. It now operates using just a single data cable. 4. Fix the compatibility issues of the last generation U15. 5. Support for connecting to JCID Repair Assistant for automatic upgrades. 6. Reading speed about 250 megabytes per second, writing speed about 350 megabytes per second. 7. Wide range of applications: mobile phones, drones, automobiles, TVs, set-top boxes, etc. 8. Mainstream NAND modules include UFS 153254297 module, eMMC 15316922125 module, and UFS or eMMC ISP Fly-Wire Module, compatible with 99% of Android NANDs on the market.